guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a Chinese sweet corn soup with mushroom. Let's get started. First thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna let our pan up to the temperature. A little bit of olive oil, guys, to fry our spices. Use olive oil for a little bit healthier option. That's our pan ready, guys. We need to fry our garlic and ginger. We've got 2 cloves of garlic. And 2 inches of ginger. I just cut it into much sticks, but I think you can cut however you want it. You can cut it into dice, finer chops. Just cook our spices until it infused the flavor. And now let's add our sweet corn, guys. This is sweet corn in the can. So this is the one I'm using, guys. I need to put a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let it cook for a few minutes. Oh, it smells amazing, guys. Amazing. Soup are good in Scotland, especially that the weather turned in quite cold now because winter is coming. So you will see loads of soup cooking. 6 cups of chicken stock. Let's put 2 stock cubes. You can add it more, guys, if it's not up to your taste. But it's better to be bland than salty because we don't want a salty food. At least when it's bland, you can add it more seasoning in cubes. We just let this one boil, guys. Just let our soup boil. Now let's add our cooked chicken thigh. Or sorry guys, cooked chicken breast. This is 2 chicken breasts. If I have my way, guys, I would be using the chicken thigh, the one with bones, because I like my chicken have like bones. I don't like my chicken like bland. There's no like, it's all just like meat because it's gonna go rubbery. So add 300 grams of mushroom. It's been diced like this. You can use any mushroom, guys, but I don't know what's it called because they got plenty of different kinds of mushroom. But I think any kinds of mushroom is good for soups. Now we just let this mushroom cook a little bit. So we're just checking, guys, if our mushroom is cooked. Not yet. Not quite yet. you just have to let the mushroom cook, guys. When it's soft, that means it's ready. But you don't want the mushroom gonna be like really soup either, or soft. Now it's time for our corn flour, guys. I've got 3 tablespoons of corn flour with diluted with water. Go. And let's add our 2 beaten eggs. And you can garnish it with spring onions. 2 spring onion, guys. Then we can just turn it off the heat. Now here's our finished product, guys. Our Chinese chicken sweet corn with mushrooms. And hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.